This is the ICSE 2023 examination specimen question paper issued by the council, and it is of mathematics. We know that mathematics exam is going to be soon. So let us see how we are going to solve this and write the answers. Alright, this is our section A. There are 40 marks for this section A. You'll have first 15 marks for question 1, which is going to be strictly MCQs. Alright, now for the MCQs, if this is your page, just make sure that you draw the column and show the working side by side like this, and then write the answers here. Make sure that your answers are written side by side. If the first subpart is here, second subpart will be here. I'll just write it like so. Okay, then the third subpart will be here. So when you are drawing the column like this, then you will show for the first one working this side, write the answer here. Okay, then for the second one, do the working this side and then go for the third one like so. Leave the space, and that's how you should present your answer so that the examiner doesn't get confused. Now the first one of the MCQs is saying that SGST paid by the customer to the shopkeeper for an article which is priced as 500 is rupees 15. So the MP is rupees 500, right? And he pays SGST. SGST is going to be rupees 15. Now SGST rate percent will be found out by writing the SGST, that is rupees 15, is going to be, let us say, R% of MP. Alright, now in place of MP, you can write 500 directly, and then you will see that it is 5 here. So R will be equal to 15 upon 5, which is 3%. Now if SGST is 3%, CGST is going to be double of that. Yes, so the answer is this. So how do we write it? D and 6%. Okay, so if you place your answers like this, it will be good. Let us look at the second subpart. When the roots of a quadratic equation are real and equal, then the discriminant, which means the value of b squared minus 4ac, it should be 0. Yes, so this you should know well. This is C and 0. We come to the third one. If x minus 1 is the factor of this, then what is the value of a? Now if x minus 1 is the factor, then you will say that x is equal to 1, and when I take f of x, that is f of 1, will be 2x squared, means 2 into 1 square, we are substituting, minus a into 1 and minus 1. Now this will be equal to 0 because this is the remainder. By factor theorem, you will have f of 1 will be equal to 0 since x minus 1 is a factor. So this will be 2 ones 2 minus a minus 1. So you will have a equal to 2 minus 1. And the answer will be 1. So we'll have B, which is 1. Let us look at the fourth one. Given that A, B, C, D multiplied by this x is P, Q. Now here this has the order 2 by 2. Then multiplied by x. So I'm writing a dot there and x. And that is equal to, here you will have 2 rows into 1 column, so 2 by 1. So now you remember m into n is the order of the first matrix, and then for the second one it has to be n into q. Then if these two are equal, then the product will have m into q. This will be the number of rows, this will be number of columns, so m into q. What is the value of m? Look here, it is 2. What is the value of n? Can you see this 2? So this will be 2 multiplied by what is the value of q? This one. So it is 2 by 1 as the order of x, and that is your C. So we'll write here C 2 by 1. So I hope you understood how this is to be done, but I'm going to go fast, so I will not draw the columns like so, otherwise the video will become too long. Let us look at the fifth one. These are in arithmetic progression. Find the value of 8th term. Now 8th term is going to be A8, which will be A plus 7D. All of you know the formula, how to use it, correct? What is the value of A? A is the first term, that is this. So it is 57 plus 7 into, what is the value of D? 54 minus 57, that is minus 3. And so you'll have 57 minus 21. And how much is that? So the answer is A. So we will write here, of course, fifth one and A and 36. That's how we have to write. Okay. Let us come to sixth one. The point AP, Q is invariant about X equal to P under reflection. Now the coordinates of its image A dash is, the coordinates of A dash, if it is invariant, do you think it's going to change its coordinates? No. So if this is A, then A dash also will be the same. Where is it? Can you see that? Okay, so this is the answer. I've already shown you how to write your answers. Let us go to the seventh one. In the given diagram, ABC is similar to DEF by axiom. Now ABC and DEF. Can you see over here, the two sides are here and the included angle. Now what is the ratio? Can you see over here 4 and 3 centimeters and here 24 and 28. So the bigger side, bigger side. So if I take 4 upon 24 will be the same as here 3 upon 18. Is it 1 upon 6 this also? Yes, so it is true, right? So it is side angle side. So it will be this axiom. So you know how to write B and SAS. Let's come to the 8th subpart. The volume of the right circular cone with same base radius and height as that of the right circular cone is this. Now this is the volume of the cone and that is 120 centimeter cube. What is the formula of the volume of the cone? It is 1/3 pi r square h, correct? Now this is equal to 120. The right circular cylinder, the volume of the cylinder is going to be pi r square h. So if 1/3 pi r square h is this, only pi r square h is going to be 3 multiplied by this, that means 360 centimeter cube. So that becomes the volume of our cylinder. So the answer is this, and you know how to write the answer. Let us come to the 9th one. This is our inequation. They ask you for solution set and x belongs to W, which means you are going to get minus 8 less than or equal to 2x as the first inequation and 2x less than 8. You could do this mentally also and you will get something like this. Now we have to have the value of x as a whole number, which means I have to start with 0. Can I take negative values? No. So it will be 0, 1, 2, 3. Can I take 4? No, because it is less than 4. Okay. So where is this solution set? Here. Okay. So the answer is C and we write this. Let us come to the 10th one. The probability of sun rising from the east is PS. The value of PS, what will it be? Now the sun always rises in the east. Has it ever risen from any other direction? No. It's never gone and risen from west or south or north, correct? So it's a short thing, all right? So that means when it's a sure event, the probability will be 1 and that's your answer, okay? 11th one. Here you can see 2 by 2 matrix here plus this is equal to this. Now each one of them is 2 by 2 matrix. They are asking us for the value of x. Now if you look at the solution, it will be 2x01. And this one, when you multiply by that 3, it will become 3 to 6. Then 3 ones 3, 3 fours 12, 3 0 0. And that will be equal to 8, 8, 12, 1. Now x and this one, they are the corresponding elements. So on the left hand side it will be x plus 3 and here it will be 8. So value of x will be 3 goes that side, x equal to 5. Where is the option? D. Simple. Let us move to number 12. Centroid of ABC is G, which is 6, 7. If the coordinates of ABC are like so, then what is the value of A? What is A? It's the x coordinate. The x coordinate here is this. These are the other x coordinates. The centroid formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. So you will have in your working column 6 equal to a plus 7 plus 5. We've taken all x coordinates here and that upon 3. So we'll have 18, 6 3 is 18 equal to a plus 12. A will be equal to 18 minus 12, that will be 6. So the answer is B, which is 6. Let's come to the 13th one. In the given diagram, AC is the diameter of the circle and ADB is 35. This is your 35 degrees. And the value of x, this one, how much will it be? If AC is the diameter, then ABC becomes 90 degrees because angles in the semicircle, yes. Now look at this ADB. It has been subtended by this arc. Now this arc subtends this angle as well. So this angle also is 35 degrees, yes. So x and 35, they are going to be complementary angles. So x is going to be equal to 90 minus 35, which is going to be 55 degrees. Where is it? Here. Let us move to the 14th part. The 14th one. The nth term of the AP is n plus 3. Which means your an is equal to n plus 3. The first term will be when n is equal to 1. So a1 will be 1 plus 3, that is 4. a2 will be 2 plus 3, that is 5. And the next one will be 6. So first three terms will be 4, 5, 6. Where is the option D? Let's come to the last MCQ. The median of the group frequency distribution is found graphically by drawing. The median, the upper quartile and the lower quartile all are obtained by drawing the ogive. What is another name for it? Cumulative frequency curve. So this is where we finish question 1.